Hello, in this video I will tell you what I think of this DJI Mini 3. Maybe you have seen my flight test videos and ask why no comments, because I have a dedicated video for that purpose and we will go on. The first flight test has been done by low temperature around 0 degrees and a bit of wind. It was my very first takeoff with that drone. So what I think of that DJI Mini 3? First thing I can say that this DJI Mini 3 is perfectly stable. It take off wind or not wind and stay at the right position. Second thing, to pilot this drone is easy. And for hobbyists used to pilot with a radio control remote like us, it is very easy. You just have to take your time and there will be no issue. To travel with this drone is easy too, very light, compact. You put it in your backpack and let's go. If talks about the video quality, first, the nacelle is perfectly stabilized. No strange movements or vibration, even with a bit of wind. The video sharpness is very good. You can see by yourself on my previous test flight video, the brick walls in the church, for example. If the quality is very good, not forget that the sensor is small. Highlights are usually overexposed. You have to watch for it and avoiding to have the sun in front of you. Now I underexpose when filming of minus 0.3 step to minimize the risk to have burned areas. Regarding the software part, DJI Fly is okay, but I'm not really satisfied with. Finding functions is not very easy and flight modes limited. Hopefully, concerning the flight modes, you can use tiers applications which propose that what missed to the Mini 3, for example, waypoints. And regarding the hobbyist point of view, please be careful and don't count too much on the FPV camera to pilot this drone because of the lag time, close to half a second. For reminder, this DJI Mini 3 don't offer proximity sensors to avoid collision like upper models like the Mini 3 Pro or now the Mini 4 Pro. I can tell you I was close to crash my drone in a tree during a flight yesterday because I was just piloting with the FPV camera. I didn't take enough margin in distance to cover the lag time, and I was only in cine mode where the drone is the slowest. So please be careful. In conclusion, I'm happy with this drone because of the global performance, capacity, low weight, and quality of the video. For the price, you cannot go wrong with this DJI Mini 3. The only question will be, what if I truly need a following mode or waypoint mode to fly in the forest, for example? Regarding the waypoint, non-DJI applications do it efficiently, but always without proximity sensors. You have to check your environment to avoid any risk of collision. Regarding the following mode, today no reliable solution available, maybe in several modes. So thank you for watching, thank you for your attention, and please don't forget to like. Bye bye guys.